ಗೃಹಜ್ಯೋತಿ, ಗೃಹಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಅನ್ನಭಾಗ್ಯ, ಯುವ ನಿಧಿ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಯೋಜನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಬಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ರೀ.
Buses for women have been made free so that they can travel to any part of Karnataka.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಎದುರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಈ ನೆಲದ ಜಲ, ನೆಲ, ಭಾಷೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀರು, ಜಲ, ನೆಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
The land, the water, the air of the sea.
ರಾಜಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಜನರ ಹಕ್ಕು.
Are all the rights of the people. There is no question of compromising on this.
ಈ 8 ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಎರಡು ಬಾರಿ ಲೀಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ,
I've been a chief minister for 8 years. I've been a leader of opposition for 2 terms.
ಎರಡು ವರ್ಷ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಒದಗಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿನ ನನಗೆ ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸೇರಿದಾಗ,
When I had joined the Congress party,
JDS ನಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ,
from the JDS, when I was expelled and when I had joined the Congress party, Sonia Gandhi had met me.
ಅಹಿಂದ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ,
When I was driving several Ahinda movements.
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅಹಮದ್ ಪಟೇಲ್, ಫಿರಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಇದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಹಮದ್ ಪಟೇಲ್ಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ,
Ahmed Patel and I were made to meet. I also met with Sonia Gandhi.
ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Sonia Gandhi ಅವರು
emotional scenes there coming in from the press conference. In the beginning also it was reported that Siddaramaiah had become quite emotional as he addresses his last press conference after putting in his papers as the Chief Minister of Karnataka representing the Congress party. Earlier also we saw a lot of emotional scenes. There were also reports that even behind the closed door interactions he had become emotional. He might say on record that he has been an obedient soldier, that he had always said he would resign if and when asked by the High Command, but we all know that the story has been more complicated. But is this the climax? Is this the end of a picture? Or are there more roadblocks ahead, more hiccups ahead for DK Shiv Kumar? Is Siddaramaiah going to exit quietly? what happens when he visits Delhi later this evening. There is also that proposal of a Rajya Sabha seat that has been extended to him. Times Now will keep tracking all those developments. Fastest and first, stay tuned.